Hi everyone, it's Anton Irene here, and we want you to invite and participate in a really cool challenge together with Adobe.
And there's 3 potential prizes, 3 very awesome prizes. What's the first one, Anton?
The first one is a trip to LA to Adobe MAX for 2 people. Second prize is 1 year free subscription for Adobe Creative Cloud. And the third prize is 100 stock images from Adobe.
How can you participate in this awesome challenge where you get to have a chance at winning these prizes? So there's really 4 things you have to keep in mind, and then you're off to the races. The first thing is
you need Adobe XD. So if you don't have one, go and download it first.
Secondly,
you need to pick one of the 3 icon kits that were designed specifically for you to use. One kit was designed by us, Anton Irene. Second kit was designed by Wyman out of New York. And the third kit was designed by Büro Destruct. So you pick the kit that you like the most and you start designing with it.
And thirdly, you have to use at least 5 icons in your prototype. So you will be disqualified if you use less than 5, minimum 5. More than 5 is also good.
And the last step is you design your kit, you design your prototype using icons, and you're super happy with it. You have to post it on Behance by March 15th. And when you post it on Behance, you have to put a little bit of a case study, a little bit of description, how you got to your describing your process. And when you post it, make sure you use hashtag #IconContestXD. Make sure you post it on Twitter and other social networks to promote the work, but that has to be done before March 15th.